Hello friends. Today I have a very serious mission. Very serious. I need to print a cat soap holder and a toothbrush organizer for toothpaste and toothbrushes. And of course, everything must have cats on it. Because cats make everything better. And after all that hard work, I printed a toy for myself. Because I deserve it. This project took forever, and I lost 10 hours of sleep making all of this. So please enjoy the video and support this hardworking little kitten. I really tried my best.
Goodbye till we